welcome back. Yeah, so welcome back to my channel once again, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And today it's another video, it's another vlog, it's another great day, to start with. So yeah, without any further ado, today it's another unboxing, and it's makes me excited. It's because it's another purse, it's another bag that would add it to my collection, and I'll give you a review and how's it look like. And yeah, without any further ado, let's keep the ball rolling today. So yeah, it's Erica Lifestyle here, ladies and gentlemen, ladies and folks. So yeah, and today's video, it's another unboxing with this. I'm not sure if you're sure. Yeah, it's a Teddy Blake New York bag. So I have here, it's an desk bag, and you can check it out and do your research too. But I'll give you what's this brand all about. It's Teddy Blake New York purses and bags or whatever. So yeah, it has in the desk bag, and let's gonna unbox this together, and bear with me because it's gonna be something will surprise you, and you can differentiate to different luxury brand of bags. As we women, we love purses, we love bags, but remember, you are the bag. So yeah, let's open this together and how it looks like. So yeah, and let's see. Oh my god, look at that, look at the details, as you can see. I super love it. Look at that, look at this right here, and it has the padlock right here, and of course, if there's padlock, there should be a key. A key to success, ladies and gentlemen. So yeah, it says here, see, inside. I love the details of this bag, and all, it's engraved with Teddy Blake. It's gold plated. It's right here, and look at the bottom part. And this would be perfect if I have like business meetings or conference meeting as well. This would be perfect because you can put your documents or whatever. You can put your wallet, and of course your cell phone as well, and also your car key if you have, and your house key. So this would be multifunctional bag. Look at the back, it's right there, Teddy Blake. And here, it's engraved with, you can see Teddy Blake right there. This is pretty amazing, super love it. And I think it's pricey, but I'm worth it to have this kind of bag, a gift for myself. And yeah, it has the key here. Yeah, like I said, if there's a padlock, there should be, or there must be a key to success for you to open. See, let's try it. There you go. We're able to open. So we're just like this one. Super love it. See, when you use this one, you can put like that one, and see. And the good thing about this bag It has also a shoulder strap. See the shoulder strap. Let's try. And I think you can put it here. So yeah. Easy. Easy. So it's very easy. Just put here like that. And there. See, you can do like that. Nice, huh? Or like that. See? So I'm gonna give you a quick description with this purse. Okay, are you excited, or are you ready to read it to you, the details of this bag? So this bag, Teddy Blake, New York. Although it says here New York, it's not made in New York, it's made in Italy. So this bag is made in Italy. It's called CROCO embossed leather with matching trim rails, NUDE interior. So it has gold toned hardware, as you can see, gold toned hardware. And so the color is this of this bag. It's AVA CROCO Gold 11 inches. It's nude pink. So the new AVA by Teddy Blake is designed in a modern twist to an iconic check design. So yeah, super love it. So crafted by expert artisans in Italy with CROCO embossed calf skin. And the style features a single round handle with a flap closure that opens to reveal soft sewed interior, and well-though compartmentalization with side pockets included. See, this is side pockets included. And the AVA bag can take you from ladies' luncheon to an evening out without missing a bit when it comes to style and elegance. So, wow. Well, I think I'm in love with this Teddy Blake bag. So this is really, I think I'm gonna use this without the strap bag as well. And so the media of this bag, it's 8.2 inches the height, and times 4.5 inches the width, and times 11.4 inches, this is the length right here. And handle drop length is the handle length is 3.4 inches, and 7 inches to 23 inches detachable and adjustable shoulder strap. This is the shoulder strap, so it is adjustable. You can adjust it, and What else? Closure, one interior. It has one interior side zip pocket and one slide pocket exterior. So here I show you the already. It has there, and inside it has two pockets. The exterior pockets, that's the exterior pocket there, and inside it has one interior. It's called interior pockets. So yeah, it's the zipper pocket, and the key and lock with logo included, signature desk bag included. So this is the desk bag right there. So style number 4862. So key and lock with logo included. See, I told you that before, that the logo, see the blade there. And yeah, where's the key? Where's the key? There you go, that's the key there. And see this one there, and so yeah, ladies and gentlemen, and that's it. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Yeah, I super love this bag already. And I'm gonna remove this strap, okay? So this strap, so see, super love this bag already. So adjustable strap bag, so you can adjust it, okay? And super love it. So yeah, I'm gonna put the link on my description if you guys are interested with this Titty Blake bag and bag, purse, whatever you call it. And super love it. It should be that way, like that. Okay. And this is perfect for, there you go. So that's it for today's videos, guys, and thank you for watching. This has been Erica Lifestyle saying to you bye for now, and stay safe and take care. Bye.